Here's my other safety lawn Rise and Rain that I just got. This is a part circle model. It has the brass trips. It's got the Moody Weather Rain head inside. This one's a part circle only model. That trip cannot be moved. Cannot be moved up to full circle. Other than that, it's the same head that's in the full circle, has a diffuser pin, I think 5/32 nozzle. I don't remember too many full circles from my childhood, but there was a lot of part circle models installed. They were the Nelson models, like I said in the other video. The Nelson models had the bigger casing and bigger lid. I think the casing was just also a little taller as well. These still do have that crazy pop-up height though. So there are two houses near where I live now that are just like 2-3 minutes away that had these in the ground, and then one up over on the south side of town that had Rise and Rains as well. I knew Moody also made the Rise and Rains. I'm not exactly sure. I've never actually seen one, but I've seen this and I've seen the Nelson models. I'm sure Bill or somebody will probably educate me a little bit on the history of Moody and Weather Rain. This model seems to run pretty good. I believe these spinkers were taken care of. I mean, other than having this leak right here, which probably just needs to be sealed up with some tape, but it seems to run really well. Yeah, the Rise and Rain that I got originally from another friend was full circle, and I put a part circle head inside. Switched out the center pin, and so the lid and everything would still screw on. It was an Alpha 2 head, so that was, I don't think that was one made with the Western brass patent. And L&L Nelson made the Alpha 2s, it was their own, it wasn't from the Western brass. I think it wasn't until the P21, P31 and those that used that Western brass patent. But yeah. After this, I plan to run my 15111A that was modified with a 25 spoon drive. So it's a regular 25, not the one with the PJ tube. If I had my own house, I'd put a couple of these in the ground, so it'd be really cool to have a bunch of these running. Thanks for watching.